Are you tired of struggling with bulky and hard-to-use blenders in your kitchen? Look no further than Stick Blenders. The versatile and convenient blender can handle a variety of tasks with ease. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, pureeing soups, or making sauces, a Stick Blender can make your life so much easier. Hey everyone! In this video, we will look at the 5 best stick blenders available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on performance, safety, and price. If you want more product information, I have included links in the description box below. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. At number 1 is the Mueller Immersion Blender. This sophisticated blending companion combines versatility, power, and comfort, making it an essential tool for any culinary enthusiast. With a detachable shaft, this immersion blender offers convenience and ease of cleaning. The 9-speed variable control allows you to achieve the perfect consistency for your creations, whether it's a velvety soup or a frothy smoothie. Powered by a robust 500-watt motor, this blender effortlessly tackles any blending task with efficiency and precision. One of the standout features of this immersion blender is its comfort handle, designed to provide a non-slip grip even during prolonged use. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable and secure hold, allowing you to blend seamlessly without straining your hand. This culinary companion is not limited to blending alone. With the included whisk attachment, you can smoothly whisk eggs, batter, or cream, taking your culinary skills to new heights. Cooking becomes a breeze with this versatile tool by your side. Crafted with exceptional quality in mind, this immersion blender boasts a full copper motor that surpasses competitors in durability and longevity. It is designed to withstand continuous use, ensuring that it will last up to 3 times longer than similar models on the market. For added peace of mind, this immersion blender comes with a generous 1-year warranty. This warranty reflects the manufacturer's confidence in the blender's performance and guarantees that you can blend happily ever after. Combining functionality, durability, and a touch of elegance, this immersion blender is the perfect culinary companion for any home cook. Its sophisticated design, exceptional quality, and versatility make it a must-have addition to your kitchen arsenal. Discover the joy of effortless blending and whisking with this remarkable immersion blender that is sure to elevate your culinary creations to new heights. At number 2 on the list is the Immersion Hand Blender. This all-in-one immersion blender is a game-changer, boasting a range of attachments that elevate your cooking experience to new heights. With a chopper attachment at your disposal, meal preparation becomes a breeze. Effortlessly chop vegetables, herbs, or nuts with precision and ease. The sharp blades make quick work of even the toughest ingredients, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. But this immersion blender doesn't stop there. It also features an egg whisk attachment that enables you to create perfectly with eggs, creams, and batters. Achieve fluffy omelets, luscious desserts, and airy cakes with minimal effort. Designed for convenience and safety, this immersion blender is easy to clean with detachable attachments that are dishwasher-safe, chemical-free, and BPA-free. Rest assured knowing that your culinary adventures are backed by the ETL certification, ensuring the highest standards of quality and safety. This immersion blender also comes equipped with a milk frother attachment, allowing you to indulge in creamy, frothy delights for your coffee or hot cocoa. With just a few simple motions, transform your beverages into a cafe-worthy treat in the comfort of your own home. Powered by a robust 250-watt motor, this hand blender offers 8 speeds, including a turbo function. Blend milkshakes, soups, or baby food to perfection with its impressive capabilities. Despite its power, the blender operates with minimal noise and vibrations, providing a smooth and enjoyable blending experience. Featuring a thick stainless steel mixing wand with a 4-blade system, this immersion blender ensures high-efficiency blending. Experience even in smooth results as the blades effortlessly mix your ingredients, leaving you with perfectly blended creations. The 5-in-1 attachment set includes a mixing wand, milk frother, 500 ml food chopper, 600 ml beaker, and an egg whisk, providing you with endless culinary possibilities. Plus, for the generous 2-year warranty, you can embark on your culinary journey with confidence and peace of mind. Embrace the versatility, power, and convenience offered by this remarkable immersion blender. Its multiple attachments, easy cleaning, safety features, and impressive warranty make it an indispensable kitchen companion for any home cook. Elevate your culinary creations and unleash your inner chef with this 5-in-1 immersion blender that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience. At number 3 on our list is the Bonson Kitchen Immersion Blender. This exceptional 4-in-1 hand blender is a game-changer, providing you with a range of functionalities to take your cooking endeavors to new heights. With 20 variable speeds at your fingertips, this immersion hand blender allows you to customize the texture of your blends, from silky smooth purees to chunky homemade sauces. The precise control grants you maximum choice and precision when preparing a wide array of dishes. Engage the turbo button to blast through ice or swiftly clean the blades and cup with water. Crafted with a stainless steel body, this hand blender not only exudes sophistication, but also boasts enhanced durability. The brushed finish adds scratch resistance, ensuring that it withstands the rigors of everyday use. The semi-wrapped blade protection design effectively prevents spattering, keeping your kitchen mess-free. The 4-in-1 functionality of this immersion blender makes it an invaluable kitchen assistant. It includes a food blender, an egg whisk, a 24 ounces beaker cup, and a 17 ounces food chopper bowl. From protein shakes to soups, mayonnaise to smoothies, whipped cream to food processing, this versatile tool effortlessly handles a wide range of culinary tasks. Ease of use and cleaning are paramount in this hand blender's design. The detachable design allows for easy switching between attachments. Simply combine them with a stainless steel body. Cleaning becomes a breeze with detachable parts that are easy to rinse and store, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Not only does this hand blender excel in functionality, but it also prioritizes scientific and professional design features. Advanced noise reduction technology minimizes discomfort caused by excessive noise during operation. Additionally, the BPA-free containers guarantee that no toxic chemicals will be released during food processing, ensuring the safety and well-being of you and your loved ones. Elevate your culinary creations and simplify your kitchen endeavors with this exceptional 4-in-1 hand blender. With its versatile functionalities, variable speeds, easy installation, and easy cleaning, this culinary companion is sure to become an indispensable tool in your kitchen. Embrace the power and precision offered by this hand blender and embark on a culinary adventure like never before. At number 4 is the Immersion Blender Handheld. This exceptional 5-in-1 handheld blender is a game-changer, providing you with limitless possibilities to enhance your cooking experience. The aesthetic and ergonomic design in this handheld blender ensures a comfortable and reliable grip. Its sleek motor housing body, coupled with a non-slip handle, offers easy control, allowing you to navigate through your culinary endeavors effortlessly. With a powerful 1100 watts motor, this immersion blender effortlessly tackles chopping, pureeing, and mixing tasks with precision and speed. The 12-speed settings, along with the turbo mode, give you maximum control over your cooking, allowing you to achieve the perfect consistency every time. The 304 stainless steel blade, spinning at a remarkable 16,000 RPM, ensures efficient and thorough blending results. From smooth purees to silky smoothies, this handheld blender delivers exceptional performance in record time. The 5-in-1 multi-purpose functionality of this immersion blender is a culinary dream come true. It includes a versatile handheld stick blender, a 600 ml mixing beaker, a 500 ml food chopper, an egg whisk, and a milk frother. Whether you're mixing, chopping, egg beating, pureeing, or preparing baby food, this handheld blender has got you covered. The 360-degree safety lock and one-click installation make detachment and cleaning a breeze, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Not only does this handheld blender excel in functionality, but it also prioritizes convenience and ease of use. The BPA-free materials ensure the safety of your food, allowing you to create fresh juices and delicious smoothies for your family and friends. With the ability to blend, chop, and puree quickly and efficiently, you'll have more time for culinary creativity and experimentation. Unleash your culinary creativity and elevate your cooking experience with this exceptional 5-in-1 handheld blender. Its powerful motor, adjustable speeds, ergonomic design, and easy-to-clean features make it an invaluable asset in any kitchen. Embrace the endless possibilities and make cooking a joyful and efficient endeavor with this versatile culinary companion. At number 5 on the list is the Fresco Immersion Handheld Blender. This exceptional handheld blender is designed to elevate your cooking experience to new heights, providing you with seamless blending and chopping capabilities. Equipped with 4 sharp stainless steel blades, this handheld blender effortlessly blends even the toughest ingredients with ease. The anti-splash cover prevents food from spattering at high speeds, ensuring a mess-free blending experience. Powered by a 500-watt pure copper motor, this handheld blender delivers efficient performance. With 12 adjustable speeds and a turbo mode, you'll have complete control of the blending process. Achieve perfectly homogeneous blends and chop ingredients in seconds, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. The ergonomic design of this handheld blender allows for one-handed speed control, making it easy to operate. The non-slip rubber handle ensures a secure grip, even when handling wet or slippery ingredients. Its sleek and compact design makes storage a breeze, effortlessly finding its place in any kitchen. Cleaning up after use is a breeze with the detachable attachments of this handheld blender. Simply remove them and clean them with water for quick and easy maintenance. However, it is important to note that the motor part should not be immersed in water to ensure its longevity. To provide a worry-free experience, this handheld blender comes with a 700 ml BPA-free beaker. It allows you to conveniently measure and blend ingredients without any concerns about harmful chemicals. Enhance your culinary adventures and simplify your blending and chopping tasks with this exceptional handheld blender. Its stainless steel blade, powerful motor, ergonomic design, and easy cleaning features make it an invaluable tool in any kitchen. Discover the joy of effortless blending and chopping and elevate your cooking to new heights with this versatile culinary companion. So, that's all about the 5 best stick blenders. If you think we have left valuable stick blenders, please leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe.